right, it is airborne. We have it on the 2-post lift. So while it's up here, just wanted to show you guys underneath this car. Talk about aerodynamics. That is about as flat as it gets. And wanted to show you the jacking points. Lotus makes it super obvious where to jack it from with big blue stickers pointing to these little aluminum pieces that are right here. There's 2 in the front, 2 in the rear, and they made it a lot easier than my Series 1 Elise by making it so you don't have to take off the panel to get to the jacking points.
You won't be able to see the sticker from underneath the car, but just look for the ridges on this, and it's pretty evident that this is the piece you want to place your jack under.
Yep, so just lift right under there, and if you need to do any work down here, you have about 12 trillion bolts to remove. So you can see right here, they got a little air intake to pull some air into the rear of the engine so that it can cool it off a little bit. And a beautiful little diffuser down here.